we are on Paris A, and we're meeting Captain Nicholas. How's it going, Captain Nicholas?
Good morning, I'm very good. How are you?
Good morning, I'm awesome. Can we take a look around Paris A?
Yes, of course. Come in.
Thank you. How's it going? Good morning.
This is Paris A, as you say. So, this is behind the area, the table here, the bar, which people relaxing through the day. There's one part of the boat, really nice. Everybody use it. So,
I see the Aft Deck, nice lemonade,
yeah.
and we're moving in the Salon.
Come inside.
Very relaxed morning here in Aft Deck today. So the Salon, we see the seating area and the dining area.
The dining table is already
set up
for the people.
I see. Are we having lunch today?
No, we just
set it up so that it's ready.
Yes, we just set it up. The set.
Awesome.
So, go slowly from the cabins. This is the toilet. First one. And as you come inside, the VIP cabin on the top of the boat. You can say master also, with his own bath and toilet.
So the master cabin.
VIP
slash master.
Yes.
Awesome.
We have three actually cabins equal.
Three equal.
Two, yes.
That's convenient.
Double cabins, yes. Another two twins. Let's go down to see the other cabins also. Come from this way.
Yeah.
You will see
I'm looking around and
this is the other
moving
VIP.
to the other VIP cabins.
Yeah.
See how the little lights make the atmosphere. It must be especially wonderful at night.
There it is.
Oh, so it's set up as if we're in the middle of a church. Really thoughtful.
We have the lady with stay.
Oh, nice as well. Cool.
The toilet, the bathroom, shower, desk with a lot of spaces. I mean, all this beautiful.
Yeah, a lot of storage, so you don't end up with one stack of clothes at the end of the charter. That's important.
This is the master cabin. We're calling master. Here we have two showers, two bathrooms, walk-in closet with shower inside. Again, plenty of storage area, so you don't need to have like 20 different layers of clothes, and after 3 days it looks messy. Cabin is really very.
I see very generous with space and room, so no stress.
The other bathroom here also. Those three cabins also.
Oh, so the space under the bed is usable.
Storage. The stewardess has. But sometimes we can use for the suitcase. You know, if they have a lot of them. We can take care inside.
I like how everything is perfectly set up.
There are two twins with a Pullman bed.
Yes, So the Pullman comes out, and there's a mirror. Does the mirror room have a Pullman bath as well? Yeah, we'll see in a little bit if it is a mirror. But yeah, the bathroom.
This small one, you mean?
Oh, it looks like it's the other one, and it looks like a this double. No, yeah, like a double, and it has a Pullman bed as well. Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, getting some flickers. So just stay here.
We're going up again. Outside of the boat.
Oh, the bow area will be real nice.
Oh yeah, this is a special, I can say, place which people love it.
Yeah, like
even when we travel, because really it's a nice place. They use it very much.
it's quite unusual to have it all the way at the bow. And
Also
I
the
can
Sundeck
imagine, yeah.
up there, as you see.
Yeah, so really a fully equivalent alternative to the Aft Deck.
Yeah.
So you can just stay here most of the time, and this area, and even underway, you know, you can stay
in the
here.
way, yes, when the sea is calm.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Awesome.
really perfect place. They use it very much.
Captain
They
Nicholas,
love it.
I'm just wondering. Yeah. Where next?
We're going to visit our kitchen, it's safe. Not here in the moment.
Just a quick peek in the galley,
Yeah.
and let's move on.
This is small, but this is only for the clients.
For the guests.
For the guests.
I see the
And
crew
we have
kitchen.
our place down there.
I see the crew area is behind me.
Yes. We're going up
Mm-hmm.
to my place.
The bridge. Uh-huh.
People can stay with me if they want through the travel. They're welcome.
You see, like for the docking maneuvers or on Hydra, you know, when it gets interesting, you can.
I can do also from outside. Since
Mhm.
we arrived to the port, I'm always stay outside.
I see.
Yeah. This is the upper deck. This year we changed, we take out the barbecue because we didn't use it so much
Uh-huh.
here and make this
Or sound loungers.
like-
Sound loungers,
like
yeah.
the place. This one you can put in the middle and pull it out here.
Oh, so it extends to even larger sunbathing
yes.
area. Mm-hmm.
The people can stay here. They use it when we stay somewhere. I mean, with the anchor, or if they
Mhm.
want to relax, or when we travel, they can live here. 3 people for sure, because they use it. Before we had some small bags here, and they lay down. So that's why we're thinking. it's
I can
better
imagine,
to
yeah,
be-
like somebody wants to lay down, somebody could sit, so you can have a party of people just, you know, laying down or sitting, having a drink, especially in the evening, really convenient.
So we have 3 tables, as you see, inside, up here, and the back. Yeah.
I'm just wondering which area do the guests prefer the most, where they spend most of the
This
time.
is, as you said,
So this is-
better for the night.
You know, in the evening here, you know,
Evening.
just chill out, have some nice views,
Yes,
and
because through the day it's so hot, even if we have.
I see. And also the winds die down a little bit in the evening, so it might be a more windy, so the Aft Deck might be better. Awesome.
Yes.
So,
So this is the door is the tender.
and that's a huge engine. What do we have on there? 140?
115.
115, yeah. So definitely more than enough for all the water sports and everything.
Yes,
And
yes.
comfortable. Awesome.
We can go down. We have a jet ski also.
Oh,
You
all
can
right,
see
let's
that
see the-
before.
How's it going? Yeah, we're back. We're gonna take a look at the jet skis. Okay, I'll follow you. Sure.
boat.
I see. So powerful jet ski,
Yes.
sea bob, and a paddleboard. All right.
This area, since we're
And the plat-
for sure, they use it too much. We put a small tent as well here also for the heating.
I see. So this area is also used as a like Sundeck. The platform is, and
2 chairs
Yes.
here if somebody wants to
take a shower here and go up. Understood.
showers. The other side, this side.
So 2 showers. Cool. Awesome.
That's it.
So Captain Nichols, thank you for showing me around and have a great day.
Thank you. And you too have a good
Yeah.